Picture windows. Clearwater, Florida are a popular choice for homeowners looking to enhance their view and bring more natural light into their homes. These large, fixed windows offer unobstructed views and can be customized to fit any space. When considering window installation. Clearwater, it's important to choose a company that specializes in energy-efficient windows. Clearwater to ensure your home remains comfortable year-round. Picture windows. Clearwater provide a stylish and functional option. Custom windows. Clearwater offer a unique opportunity to personalize your home's aesthetic. Whether you prefer vinyl windows. Clearwater for their durability or aluminum windows. Clearwater for their sleek design. There are options to suit every style. Window replacement. Clearwater is an excellent way to improve your home's energy efficiency and curb appeal. Picture windows. Clearwater can be customized to fit your design vision. Clear glass windows. Clearwater provide a classic look that complements any home design. For those interested in reducing energy costs, double-pane windows. Clearwater are an excellent choice. These windows offer superior insulation, helping to maintain a consistent indoor temperature. Window design. Clearwater can be tailored to meet your specific needs, whether you're looking for modern or traditional window styles. Clearwater. Picture windows. Clearwater enhance the natural lighting and beauty of your space. Window frames. Clearwater are available in a variety of materials, including wood, vinyl, and aluminum. Each material offers different benefits, such as durability, energy efficiency, and aesthetic appeal. Window glazing. Clearwater is another important consideration, as it can impact the window's insulation properties and overall performance. Picture windows. Clearwater offer a clear, unobstructed view while improving insulation. Window tinting. Clearwater is a popular option for homeowners looking to reduce glare and protect their interiors from UV damage. Regular window cleaning. Clearwater is essential to maintain the appearance and functionality of your windows. Window sealing. Clearwater and window caulking. Clearwater are crucial for preventing drafts and ensuring your windows remain energy efficient. Picture windows. Clearwater can also be tinted for added privacy and energy savings. Window hardware. Clearwater includes a range of components, such as locks, handles, and hinges, that contribute to the overall security and functionality of your windows. Window screens. Clearwater are a practical addition, allowing you to enjoy fresh air without the intrusion of insects. Window shutters. Clearwater and window blinds. Clearwater offer additional privacy and light control. Picture windows. Clearwater can be paired with stylish treatments to enhance privacy and style. Window treatments. Clearwater and window coverings. Clearwater are available in a wide range of styles and materials, allowing you to customize the look and feel of your home. Whether you prefer traditional curtains or modern shades, there are options to suit every taste. Regular window maintenance. Clearwater is essential to ensure your windows remain in top condition and continue to perform optimally. Picture windows. Clearwater are a low-maintenance yet elegant choice. Window installation. Clearwater services can address issues such as broken glass, damaged frames, and faulty hardware. By addressing these problems promptly, you can extend the lifespan of your windows and avoid the need for costly replacements. Investing in high-quality windows and proper maintenance can significantly enhance the comfort and value of your home in Clearwater, Florida. Picture windows. Clearwater installations provide long-term beauty and efficiency. Discover the best window installation Clearwater has to offer with our expert services. Our team specializes in energy-efficient windows. Clearwater residents trust for reducing energy costs. Whether you need custom windows Clearwater or window replacement Clearwater, we provide top-notch solutions tailored to your needs. Picture windows. Clearwater installations are one of our specialties. Enhance your home with Picture Windows. Clearwater, Florida, perfect for capturing stunning views. Our clear glass windows Clearwater are designed to maximize natural light while maintaining privacy. Choose from a variety of window styles Clearwater, including vinyl windows Clearwater and aluminum windows Clearwater, to match your aesthetic preferences. Picture Windows Clearwater adds sophistication and value to any home. Ensure your windows remain in peak condition with our comprehensive window maintenance Clearwater services. From window installation Clearwater to window sealing Clearwater, we handle all aspects of window care. Our window caulking Clearwater services ensure a perfect seal, preventing drafts and enhancing energy efficiency. Picture Windows Clearwater can be sealed to optimize insulation and comfort. Upgrade your home with double-pane windows Clearwater for superior insulation. Our window glazing Clearwater options provide additional protection against the elements. For added privacy and style, consider our window tinting Clearwater services, which also help reduce glare and UV exposure. Picture Windows Clearwater offer a timeless and functional addition to any home. Transform your space with our window design Clearwater expertise. We offer a wide range of window frames Clearwater to complement any architectural style. Our window hardware Clearwater is both functional and stylish, ensuring your windows operate smoothly and securely. Picture Windows Clearwater are available in various frame styles to suit your needs. Keep your windows looking their best with our window cleaning Clearwater services. We also offer window screens Clearwater to keep pests out while allowing fresh air in. For added security and style, explore our selection of window shutters Clearwater and window blinds Clearwater. Picture Windows Clearwater can be combined with high-quality screens and treatments for maximum comfort. Complete your window transformation with our window treatments Clearwater and window coverings Clearwater. Our team will help you select the perfect options to enhance your home's interior design. Trust us for all your window needs in Clearwater, Florida, and experience the difference quality makes. Picture Windows Clearwater installations bring lasting elegance to your home.